Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, starting with the Euro USD, we do have a crossover here that has been, well, not been confirmed yet, but crossover, and we're below the 155. So, I would argue that this is the start of a trend reversal, and we've been in the bull trend, and now it looks like we're heading into a downtrend. One thing to pay attention to here, and it's messy. So let's just call it what it is, a messy flag. So just drop down to the hour, should be pretty clear there. There it is there. So 2 days of the flag, and we drop below, and we're now rejecting. Look at the oscillators, all ready and primed for a move to the downside. So just take that out the way. We're going to focus on the hour here, and what I'm looking for is a rejection. So you might as well just use a London breakout strategy. First 1 hours is your range. Break to the downside, you're looking for the short. Your first target is 108.356. Your stop is going to be above the high of today. And that you can probably watch on the 15-minute, to be honest. So what I'm referring to is that's the high, that's the current low. So provided we stay in that range, it might extend it. So just look for the first 8 1-hour bars, and you're looking for a break below the low, and currently that's sitting here. But that to me is the best structure that we have on offer at the moment. We did try to get back to the upside, a lot of confusion here, and then we dropped to the downside. And so I just want to see something on the 5 minutes here. There were some really weird gaps on the indexes, and I see we have at the same time, 3:30, we have gaps on Forex. It'll be interesting to know. Let me know in the comments whether that is, you see that on your charts, see these gaps at 3:30 GMT time, or if that was actually my charts that were playing up. It'd be interesting because you don't often see gaps like that. Anyway, that's kind of my view here on Euro USD. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. We had a bit of a flag here set up, and then we broke to the upside. So at this stage, I would just be trading off the hour. The trend is to the upside. I'm looking for structure. Bring this one up, and that would be the best structure I've got. We have tested it last night, but I would expect another test of 136.320, and we're looking for another move to the upside. Upside target is going to be that level there, which is 136.927, and you can do this on the 15-minute, to be quite honest. So you're looking for some structure here, or price action, should I rather say, at 136.320. Sorry, stop just below your pin bars, inside bars, engulfing bars, and you're looking for a break of that as you move the upside. So you should end up with something along the lines of a 200-point stop loss for a 480-point gain. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. Been pretty haywire, big ups and big downs this week so far. Oscillators group to the upside here again. Pound is strong at the moment, but looking here, we obviously need to get above this here, which is 171.183 for the uptrend to continue. At this stage, it is trying to form a flat top triangle. So I'd be wary of chasing longs right now. And yesterday, big down, big up, big down. Does look like we may have broken this trend line, so might be worth paying attention to this. I would go with the London breakout strategy again. First 8 1-hour bars. If we break the upside, then that trend line is breaking, and then we're looking for a stronger move to the upside. Your target is going to be, you've got multiple targets. So every one of these tails here is going to offer resistance. So whatever you do, try get down onto a lower time frame as possible, get in tight stop loss, and then you're going to take profit at the very next tail that you see to the left hand side. Personally, I think I'm just going to sit on the sides for this one, as better opportunity on Euro USD right now. Moving on to Euro British Pound, and trend is down. We've got this weekly resistance that I've been talking about for almost, almost 2 years now, but it's not going to just bullet through this at the drop of a hat. So you need to be very cautious about what's going on. So it's big down, big up, and it's exactly what happened yesterday. So you can see big down, big up, big down, and then back into moving averages. So this is another one which, quite frankly, I'd be sitting on the sides. I'm not really too keen on this. If we start breaking above the highs of yesterday, I'd look for structure for a move to the upside. I'm not really interested in shorting this, and the only reason for that is a strong weekly zone. Look at that. Okay, so pointless trying to jump in here, and I'd also don't want to anticipate this is a retest of that zone until we start breaking above pretty much last week's high and getting a weekly close above there. Then that starts setting the scene for a bigger move to the upside. But for now, I think this is a sit on hands situation. Much better opportunities on Euro USD, easy money there. Pretty good setup, so that's what I'd be waiting for. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.